Hi viewers, this is Engineer Mazhar Abbas on my YouTube channel Civil Engineer Help Desk with a new video compressive strength of cube for different age. Viewers, today our topic is very important. Where first of all we should know what is compressive strength. Where resistance of material to break down under compression is called compressive strength. Whereas whenever we are pouring any structure, for example, if you are pouring a slab, and for slab if you are pouring C30, then we have to test whether the concrete is C30 or not. For that purpose we pour cube at site. At same time when we are pouring slab, we will pour 6 cube of standard size at same time. These cubes are normally 150 mm each side. Normally it is standard that each dimension of this cube will be 150 mm. For example, we are pouring C30 concrete for this cube, and we want to know that after 3 days how much strength will this cube gain, and for after 7 days, after 14 days, and after 28 days what strength will be this cube attain. So for this purpose we must know this chart. This is ACI recommendation, and this chart shows that after 3 days of pouring, that cube must have 40% strength of its actual strength. After 7 days cube has 65% strength of its original strength. After 14 days 90% strength of its original strength, and after 28 days its strength should be 100%. And what is meant by actual strength? Actual strength mean if concrete is C30, it's mean its actual strength is 30 megapascal. 30 megapascal is its actual strength. So after 30 days strength should be 40% of this 30%. So I hope that you understand this. Now viewers, we will take few example. First of all, I am taking an example of a concrete which is C30 class mean grade of concrete. We have a concrete whose grade is C30. I want to know that after 3 days what will be the strength, after 7 days, after 14 days, and for 28 days what will be strength. So we will use this chart and calculate the values. For 3 days ACI code recommends that for 3 days strength should be 40% of its original strength, mean 40% of its original strength, which is 30 megapascal. C30 mean 30 megapascal. So 40% means 0.40 multiply by 30. You can calculate by your own self. Multiplying by this we will get 12 megapascal. Viewers, it's mean after 3 days C30 concrete have 12 megapascal strength. Now we will work for 7 days. Chart says that for after 7 days concrete have 65% strength of its original strength. So 65% of its original strength, which is 30 megapascal. 65% means 0.65 multiply by 30. Multiplying these two value we will get 19.5 megapascal. It's mean after 7 days C30 concrete should have 19.5 megapascal strength. Now we will work for 14 days. Chart says that ACI recommendation says that for 14 days 90% strength should be gained by cube or any concrete to its original strength. So it's mean for 14 days strength should be 90% of its original strength, which is 30 megapascal, as concrete is C30. So 90 means 90% means 0.90 multiply by 30, which will be equal to 27 megapascal. So it's mean after 14 days concrete have 27 megapascal strength for C30. We are working for C30. Now come to 28 days. 28 days mean 100% strength of its original strength, which is 30 megapascal. 100% mean 1 multiply 30, so it will be 30 megapascal. So it's mean after 28 days concrete will achieve its 100% strength, which is 30. So hope viewers you will understand. Now take another example. We will take for C25. So viewers, first of all, try to solve this by your own self. Take a paper and try to solve it. If you try to solve by your own self, you will never forget this. Now we will work for C25. C25. First of all, we will work for 3 days. 3 days mean its strength should be 40%. After 3 days, it's mean 40% of its original strength, which is 25. As C30 mean its original strength is 25 megapascal. So 40 mean 0.40 multiply by 25 and it will come 10 megapascal. It's mean concrete of C25 megapascal will attain 10 megapascal strength after 3 days. Now we will work for 7 days. 7 days means 65%. Viewers, always remember these percentages according to days. If you remember this percentage according to days, you will not feel any difficulty on site or whenever you want to know the actual strength for any age. So 65% multiply by its original strength, which is 25 megapascal. I am not writing megapascal as I have very less space in this box. So whenever I am writing 30 or 25, it's mean I am writing megapascal. These values are in megapascal. So 65 mean 0.65 multiply by 25. So it will come 16.25 megapascal. Now comes to 14 days. 14 days mean 90%, as code recommend that after for 14 days 90% should strength should be achieved. So 90% of its original strength, 90% mean divided by 100, so it will come 0.90 multiplied by 25, which will come 22.5 megapascal. And for 28 days, 28 days mean 100% strength of its original strength. 100% mean 1 multiplied by 25, so it will get 25 megapascal after 28 days. Concrete of C25 will get 100% strength, compressive strength after 28 days. So viewers, I hope that you understand these all things. Viewer, remember one thing, you must remember these factors, these percentages. If you remember these percentages, you will not feel any difficulty. Now you can, after understanding this, you can calculate or determine a strength for any cube for any days if you remember this chart. These are ACI recommendation. One more thing viewers you must know, in few books or in few, if you search on Google, somewhere you find these percentages for 7 days 67%, and this will be 87%. So we are, don't worry, approximately these are very near values. ACI recommend these values, but in some other codes like Indian code, IS code, they follow 65%, it is 7%, and 38% for 3 days. So don't worry, it will not affect. If you remember this chart, it will be okay for any value anywhere in the world. It will be applicable. Viewers, hope that you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so that you can get my notification whenever I upload video. Thank you.